Hey everyone, welcome back to another how-to video. Today we are learning all about after-class reviews. In this video, we will learn how to check the teaching report, check attendance, check the class highlights, review the page you left off of in the previous class, and also how to share the class review with your students. Okay, let's get started. So starting on the home page, let's choose a student whose class we're going to review. I'll choose CC. Let's click on the class and then click on Lessons. Once in Lessons, we can scroll down to the very last class scheduled. Right after that, under Ended will be the last class completed with that student. On the right-hand side of that, we can find the Review Lesson icon. In the Review Lessons page, we have all the details about the class. We can see attendance, board time distribution, and if there was a prepared blackboard. If we click on Highlight, we can find images or memories of the class. Somewhere in these images, you will be able to find the last page completed with your student, just in case you forgot. We can also check our class notes if we use that feature on the Blackboard. Now, if we scroll up and select Switch to Old Version, we are given a great summary of the class, which includes details such as the class duration and date, how many trophies the student received, what the Blackboard looked like, and the after-class evaluation if one was given. If we go over here and click on the Share button, we can share the review with our students and their parents. Just select the student or class you want to share it with, and select OK. Now, if we exit the review page, we can see a link has been shared in the class chat. Let's click on that link to get an idea of what the parents and students will see. As you can see, it includes all the information we just saw in the teaching report. It's great information for the parents to have, and it also has this language button over here, so the parents can choose the language they prefer. And there we have it. Now we know how to check the teaching report and share it with our students. Also, as an added bonus, we can see the last page we taught to the students. That's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. For all things ClassIn and online teaching related, keep it locked to Eureka ESL.